Alright, welcome back, my friends, to another episode of Trav Nasty Teaches You How to Play Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes. My last episode, we premiered the new event. Now, I've gone through it a couple of times, and we're going to go ahead and knock out the last phase. Or should I say tier. Boom. Tier 4, baby. Recommended level 80 plus. Let's see how this goes. A friend of mine told me that it was decent, but not crazy. So I'm just gonna go half-assed and see how this goes. Mace Leader, baby. Don't let those people tell you that Anakin Leader's better. Mace Leader's way better. The crit chance makes up for the 5% less offense. Don't listen to those naysayers. Fucking noobs. Fucking DTK 5555. Yeah. Yeah, he knows. Alright. Rebels. Being gay. As usual. Boom. Go ahead and dunk that. Take that away. Give everybody offense. Go after that Luminara. Bam! 14,000 basic. What's up, baby? Alright, Anakin, do your job, dude. Boom! Alright. A little Ahsoka plus Anakin action. Alright, here we go. Krennic. Experimental weaponry. Deal special damage to target enemy and inflict a debuff for one turn. And it depends on what they are. So, Wedge. I forget what Wedge is. I think he is... I forget. Attacker? Let's see. Boom! Stun. He's an attacker. Alright, while he's stunned, we're gonna go ahead and just mark him. Little... Oh, wow. Okay, okay. Oof. Okay. Mace Leader, already dead. Still on the first phase. This is looking pretty good. Phase 2 should be fun. Let's do Death Trooper Assault. 40% chance to... No, we'll save that. We'll go ahead and use his basic. 55% chance to inflict tenacity down. Boom! Killed him. 12,000. That was pretty raunchy. Alright, let's go ahead and wipe that. 18,000 for the force push. That's pretty aggressive. Hold on, excuse me for one moment. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the stuff. Alright, we're gonna pass that to Lamgon Jin, another friend of mine in the guild. And we're gonna take away some turn meter from this Rey. Nope, she resisted the turn meter. That's okay. Anakin, buff block. Oh, oh, man. It's getting rough. It's getting rough around here. Yeah. Let's continue focusing that Rey. Boom. Wow, she's really tanky. That's crazy. All right, so. This is 40% chance to inflict stagger for 2 turns, and that's an AoE. So let's go ahead and use that. Oh, we're getting a little bit of lag. Alright, use it. Boom. Okay, so we got stagger on Rogard, and we got stagger on this other guy. Something. What's his name? Embo. They're both staggered, but that does not mean that he can't get taunt, so that's not great. Just continue focusing Rey. Let's try to get her out of the way. She's a pretty good damage dealer, you know, in case you guys didn't know. Go ahead. Oh, you know, I should have probably dunked with Qui-Gon and got... Okay, it's cool. No, I made the right move. I saved it. AoE from Anakin. Oh, everybody got offense. What's up? Anakin did his job, finally. Ooh, Krennic is down, baby. Yeah, let's extend the offense and take that shit away. Wow. I don't know who the fuck Embo is, but that's pretty gnarly. Anakin's got quite a few debuffs on him. Let's check those out, just out of curiosity. Alright, hold on. Can you... There we go. So, daze, can't assist, can't counter, or gain bonus turn meter. That's cool. Minus 25% speed. Speed down, yeah, okay. And we all know what fucking the death mark is. So, back to Rey. Come on. Come on. Come on. Damn, that was cool as shit. You see that? Embo threw like a blade. That was pretty gnar. Alright, let's take out that Qui-Gon with the double. Bam, bam. Beautiful. Alright, Anakin's dead. We're gonna focus Embo. Rey's got foresight. Embo's down. Ooh. It's alright. She's gonna dodge with that foresight. Take away some turn meter with Qui-Gon. Nope, she resisted the turn meter reduction. Mercs Ahsoka. Do the double just to be on the safe side. Bam. There you go. Phase 4, Tier 4. Done. That was actually pretty tough, though. I should have went in a little bit harder. But there you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you didn't find it helpful, I hope you found it entertaining. And I'll catch you guys in, I don't even know, what, 12 hours? There we go, 20 hours. Catch you guys in 20 hours when we get a refresh. Trav Nasty out.